Reliance Capital Limited is an Indian diversified financial services holding company promoted by Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. Reliance Capital, a constituent of Nifty Midcap 50 and MSCI Global Small Cap Index, is a part of the Reliance Group. It is amongst India's leading and most valuable financial services companies in the private sector. As on March 31, 2017, the net worth of the company stood at 16,548 rupees crore, while its total assets as on the date stood at 82,209 rupees crore. In Fortune India 500 list of 2018, Reliance Capital was ranked as the 77th largest corporation in India with 5th rank in non-banking finance category. Reliance Capital has businesses in asset management, mutual funds, life insurance, and general insurance, commercial finance, home finance, stock broking, wealth management services, distribution of financial products, private equity, asset reconstruction, proprietary investments, and other activities in financial services. The company operates across India and has over 20 million customers and workforce of approximately 15,595 as of May 1, 2017. Anil Ambani, promoter of Reliance Group, is the chairman of Reliance Capital, while Amitabh Jhunjhunwala is the vice chairman and Anmol Ambani is the executive director. Reliance Capital Limited was incorporated in 1986 at Ahmedabad in Gujarat as Reliance Capital and Finance Trust Limited. The name Reliance Capital came into effect on January 5, 1995. In 2002, Reliance Capital Ltd shifted its registered office to Jamnagar in Gujarat before it finally moved to Mumbai and Maharashtra in 2006. In 2006, Reliance Capital Ventures Limited merged with Reliance Capital. With this merger, the shareholder base of Reliance Capital rose from 0.15 million shareholders to 1.3 million. Reliance Capital entered the capital market with a maiden public issue in 1990 and in subsequent years further tapped the capital market through rights issue and public issues. The equity shares were initially listed on the Ahmedabad Stock Exchange and the Stock Exchange Mumbai. Presently the shares are listed on the Stock Exchange Mumbai and the National Stock Exchange of India. In June 2019, auditors of PwC resigned, citing that they weren't allowed to carry on their audits if Reliance Capital prevented it from exercising independent judgment and making a report to the members of the company. In a recent development, the auditors revealed that the recoverables of 7,083 rupees crore were actually intercorporate deposits of other Reliance Group companies that were being diverted. On the other hand, Reliance has claimed that there has been no diversion of money, zero loans nor liquidity have been provided by any lender in the PwC audited period. Reliance Capital is confident that the report of the continuing auditor will establish that there were no irregularities. Reliance Capital obtained its registration as a non-banking finance company, NBFC, in December 1998. It has since diversified its activities in the areas of asset management, life and general insurance, commercial finance, stock broking, private equity and proprietary investments, asset reconstruction, distribution of financial products and other activities in financial services. Reliance Capital has a net debt equity ratio of 1.88 as of March 31, 2017. It is one of the top-rated Indian financial institutions and has the highest ratings of A1+ by ICRA and CRISIL for its short-term borrowing program, and CARE D by CARE for its long-term borrowing program. Reliance Capital offers a range of financial services in many business lines. The company is one of the most diversified financial services firms in India, with interests expanding from asset management, insurance, commercial finance, broking, private equity to other niche financial services. Its prominent businesses are as follows. Reliance General Insurance Company Limited is an Indian insurance company, part of Reliance Capital Ltd. The firm has a 7.3% market share in the private sector and has the largest agency channel, with over 24,500 agents. The CEO and executive director is Rakesh Jain. The company has strengthened and diversified its distribution network by forging partnerships with major banks. Reliance General Insurance is an active participant in various government crop insurance schemes, including the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, and has insured over 3 million farmers under this financial inclusion initiative. The total gross written premium, GWP, for the year which ended March 31, 2017, was 40.07 billion Indian rupees, $560 million. Reliance General Insurance, RGI, offers insurance for auto, health, home, property, travel, marine, commercial and other specialty products. Reliance Commercial Finance is among the leading lenders in the Indian non-banking finance sector. The CEO and executive director of the company is Devan Modi. The company has an operational presence of over 44 locations in India and an AUM of 16,759 crore as on March 2017. Reliance Commercial Finance offers a wide range of products which include business expansion loans, property loans, vehicle loans, construction equipment loans, infrastructure, microfinance, and agriculture loans. The company had a loan book at 124.36 billion Indian rupees, $2.1 billion as on March 31, 2017, with over 268,278 customers, including microfinance, across India. Ravindra Sudhakar is the CEO and executive director of the company. Reliance Home Finance Limited, RHF, a 100% subsidiary of Reliance Capital, provides home loans, LAP, construction finance, and affordable housing loans. The company has over 1,750 distributors serving over 33,300 customers across 90 locations, through a hub-and-spoke model, across the country. The company filed for IPO in 2017 and the shares got listed on National Stock Exchange of India Limited and BSE Limited in the same year. The stock price recorded a fall at more than 95% within 2 years of its IPO. Reliance Securities, the broking and distribution arm of Reliance Capital, is one of India's leading retail broking houses. B. Gopkumar is the chief executive officer and executive director of its broking and distribution business. The distribution business has approximately 80 branches. Reliance Asset Reconstruction is an asset reconstruction company, the principal sponsor/shareholder of which is Reliance Group, through Reliance Capital. The AUM as on March 31, 2017 stands at 1,829 rupees crore, previous year, 1,488 rupees crore. Ravi Vishwanath is the CEO and executive director of Reliance Health Insurance. Reliance Health Insurance is a standalone health insurance company promoted solely by Reliance Capital. It was established on May 7, 2017. The company is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and has started operations on December 10, 2018. In 2011, Reliance Capital sold 26% stake in its life insurance business, Reliance Life Insurance, to Nippon Life Insurance, NISA, amongst the world's largest life insurers, with an AUM of over 600 billion. The transaction was completed at 3,082 rupees crore for a 26% stake, valuing Reliance Life Insurance at $2.60 billion. In 2012, Nippon Life Insurance bought 26% stake in Reliance Capital Asset Management for 1,450 rupees crore. Reports indicate that Reliance Capital is also planning to sell a 26% stake in its general insurance business, Reliance General Insurance, at an appropriate time. India's leading financial daily Economic Times wrote, since Reliance General Insurance is one of the leading players with 8.4% market share, the proposed stake sale is expected to generate handsome capital gains for Reliance Capital. Besides deleveraging the balance sheet, the ongoing restructuring should also help Reliance Capital conserve capital and generate better return ratios. Reliance Capital in July 2014 announced the merger of its global film and media services business with Prime Focus to create an entity with a combined turnover of over 1,800 rupees crore. In July 2017, it sold its 1% share and paid them to China's Alibaba Group for 275 rupees crore, making a profit of 2,600%.